Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your notification. So if you have iPhone notification problem, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. Also do it with mobile data. If you use cellular data or mobile data, turn off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just open notification and just check if just go to show preview and check if you didn't choose here never. So if you choose here never, you just need to choose when unlocked or always. So after, you can also just check some special app from where you just didn't receive notification. So for example Instagram, and just check if you turn on notification from Instagram. So this is the way how you can also check it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.